So how do you use AI to create a trading robot? Did you know that 98% of the people that try to trade end up losing money? And that's down to a few things. 1, they don't know what to trade. 2, they don't know how to use a trading robot. 3, they don't know how to even set up a trading robot. Well, in this video, we're going to address all those things. Now, if you want to follow along with me, there's 2 things you're going to need. 1, you're going to need an AI tool like ChatGPT. You can use that one. It's completely free, or you can use any one you like. I'll leave you a link for it below the video. You're going to need at least a Jonny blockchain free account, because that's where we're going to be testing out our AI strategy that the chatbot's going to give us. And I'll leave a link for Jonny blockchain below this video. Now, because we're going to use AI to create the trading strategy, we're going to need to give it some prompts. I'm going to show you exactly what prompts I'm using to create an AI trading robot that will trade on Jonny blockchain. And we're going to test this strategy out risk-free. It's not going to cost us a single penny. So rather than me ramble, let's head over to my laptop and get stuck in. So first off, we need to set up our Jonny blockchain account. Now, if you haven't got a Jonny blockchain account, you'll find a link below this video. What I'm about to show you is completely free to use, so it's not going to cost you a penny. So inside Jonny blockchain, we're going to head over to this section here from the dashboard that says virtual trading. Now, what we will do, we'll be duplicating this screen, but we'll leave this one open for now. Next, we're going to head over to cryptobubble.net. I'll leave you a link for this as well below the video. Now, all we're going to use this for is for some data. Then finally, what we're going to need is ChatGPT. So again, this is free to use, so make sure you've got all of those to hand, and let's get started. Now, whenever you're using AI, it's all about the information that you give it. You want to give it as much information as possible so that you get the best results out the other end. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go over to CryptoBubble and I'm going to collect some data from here about some tokens that I'm interested in trading with. Now, nothing in this video is financial advice, and you should always do your own due diligence. So I'm going to click on the search here. Now, what I'm interested in is the top cryptocurrencies that I'm okay to hold. I don't mind holding them, and that's Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana. So I'm going to be asking the AI about these tokens before I choose one of them to set up for trading. So let me show you what I'm going to ask the AI. I want to set up a trading robot on Jonny blockchain with one of the following 4 tokens: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, or Solana. I have 600 that I want to trade with, and I want you to help me find the best token to trade. That will give me the best profit over the next 90 days. I want you to tell me what I should set lot 0, which is the first buy the bot will do. Should the bot enter the market right away or wait for a price change? Then once the bot has bought lot 0, let's say that the price continues to drop. What percentage drop should be set for the next lot 1? Again, if the price continues to drop after the second lot is bought, lot 1, what percentage drop do I set lot 2 before the bot buys again? I also want you to tell me the best take profit trigger percentage that should be set. The following is some data that may help you understand how the market for these tokens has been performing over the last 90 days. And then all I've got there is the Bitcoin price right now and what the price movement has been over the last 30 days. And I got that from here. So if I click on here, go to Bitcoin, it shows me what it's done over the last 30 days. That's the data I'm interested in. And the same for Ethereum, XRP and Solana. And then all I'm going to do then is click enter and see what the AI comes back with. So this AI has come back really quick, and it's broke it all down for me. It's telling me about each token, and I'm not going to read everything that's on the screen, but in summary here, it's saying Bitcoin is great for long term, but it's less volatile at the moment. So that means it could be slower to gain profit from either a grid bot or a spot bot. Then it's got Ethereum. Ethereum seems to be very strong at the moment. Obviously this could change because you can't tell the future, but it's suggesting here that Ethereum is much better to trade with than Bitcoin. And coming down, we've got XRP. Again, it's giving me a summary about XRP and whether I should set up a trading bot with this one. Coming down, last on the list was Solana, and again, this AI has come back with a nice bit of data for me. But the bit I'm interested in is the best pick. At the moment it's saying Ethereum. Now obviously this could change. So why is it choosing this? So obviously it's got a high recent movement, lots of liquidity, and it's ideal for a grid or a spot bot due to its volatility. And it says bonus. Ethereum often leads altcoin season, which is true. You know, Bitcoin is a standalone coin and everything follows Bitcoin. But if Ethereum starts to pump, then a lot of other tokens, you know, the altcoins start to pump as well. So this may change, but Ethereum is what it's suggesting. And so now it's given me the details of what I should set the take profits for and when my bot should enter the market. And as I say, I'm not going to read all this. If I leave you this prompt, it may give you a different result and you can ask it other things. And it's also giving me the details if I wanted to set up a grid bot. So this AI tool is absolutely fantastic in helping me choose a token to trade with. And obviously I've given it some suggestions on what tokens, and I've given it a bit of data on some tokens that I don't mind trading with. But it's given me the settings there. So all I need to do now is to take those settings that it's given me and put them into Jonny Blockchain's paper trading to see how it performs. So let's do that right now. Okay, so what I've done is on my paper trading here, I've duplicated this tab 4 times. So I'm going to test the data out in 4 different ways. The first way I'm doing is with the Binance exchange, which is a centralized. I've got the first lot of $200. And I've set the take profits trigger, which, you know, the AI told me to, was 4%. And I would never dream of doing this. I always thought leave it at a lower percentage. And I put this on this setting here, attempt to sell all lots at the average price. So I've run that simulation. And if we scroll down, this actually performed really well. And it made a profit of $77.45. Now let's have a look at the next setting that I tested out. And again, $200, again on Binance, take profits 4%. This time I've changed this, attempt to sell all lots at the average price, to use the kept profits to sell the most recent lot. So it's a different setting. And again, let's see what this has done. Lots of trades. Come down. This one's bought back $90.78. The previous one was $77.45. And then what I've done is I wanted to run it on a decentralized exchange through the base blockchain because I know that's got low fees. Again, 2 tests here. $200, take profits 4%. This setting here, attempt to sell all lots at the average price, and let's see what this bought back. So going down, this has done lots of little trades. Right at the bottom there, that's bought back $61.56. And if we go on to the last one, which again is on the base blockchain, and all I've done is change this here from attempt to sell all lots at the average price, or use this one here, keep profits for the last lot. And again, I run the simulation for that. So let's have a look at that. Scroll all the way down. That's bought back $61.56. So those 2 DEX bots have bought back the same profit on those 2 different settings. The Binance bot obviously is winning because it's a centralized exchange. You've not got blockchain times or things like that. That can happen a lot quicker through Binance because they're not really sending the money anywhere, are they? It's just on the exchange, a figure on the screen. It's only yours when you withdraw it. So Binance is coming up with $77.45, $90. So the one that's won is the Binance one on the centralized, and that's using the kept profits to sell the most recent lot. And on the decentralized, they're exactly the same. These 2 are not making any difference whatsoever. So there's a paper trading that I've done using AI. Now what I can do if I want to is to take those settings and put them into a real bot scenario, and at that point I will be risking real money. And you should always do your due diligence and make sure you're only going to trade with funds that you can afford to lose. But I don't mind trading tokens that I'm happy to hold. And this is how easy it is to use AI and Jonny blockchain to test out a trading strategy before you go live with it. If you found this video helpful or you like this type of content, then if you're not already subscribed, click on that subscribe button, click the bell notification so you get notified when I upload a new video. And happy trading. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now. Jonny Blockchain is a smart trading platform that uses AI-powered algorithms to trade the top cryptocurrencies for you, automatically. Here's why it stands out. No coding or experience needed. Your funds stay in your exchange or MetaMask wallet, never held by Jonny Blockchain. Trade 24 hours per day, 7 days a week, while you sleep or relax. Just $25 per year for unlimited bot setups. Setting up is simple. Just head over to Jonny Blockchain to create a free account. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned trader, Jonny Blockchain gives you the edge to participate in crypto without the stress. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you learned something, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto content. Want to deep dive into another crypto topic? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay informed, stay ready, and stay tuned, and happy trading.